Kublai pi baro nak liang kedutashin kendra Shillong iptang sabai pi sha ketup kubor meta ke janmit. Shaban pash ke kubot bebnya ibitwai ke mat pekongsan. Minjur ka kenhon menteri ya bon teli kijing ajeng mut kentup ru ya kijing kala ya ka an GST arajar khatnyo minjur bantau ya tana engineering hakashlem trekam ki pulit. Let yasno UMLA berim uba Himalaya Shangpyang sha kaseng NPP Hanongba Shillong. Kang kerdap no ki bor penyat ke distrik Ribhoi bat ki pulit ya ke kedop krong khajana jong ke KHADC ha umdiha. Bat kutno ke jeng rakhe dap shis pak snem jong ke skul Laban Bengli Boys High Secondary School ke bah shis snem linter. Ki kubor ki babnya ka kenhon menteri jong ka jela Meghalaya ha kasngi baar kala menjur ya katu katni teli ki jing ajeng mut kenthup ru ki jing kala ya ki an Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax 8000 khatnyo Meghalaya Medical Council but ka National Law University Umentri rangba ke jelau konrad sang mau laong bakini kidei ki jingkala bala penbet kat kum kirai bala shrim da ka GST Council ya ki bala pentre kampat da ki sorkar jela ulaong ba manla ki sorkar jela ki hapban penkala thema ya ka an GST kat kum ki jingkala plale da ka GST Council ulaong ru bakini ki jingkala on sawanra akhmat ka dorbar ya ka bala bo bakan long ha ka khat santerik unai lor Halor ka an National Law University of Meghalaya Bill 8000 arpulai umentri rangba ka jelau laong bakani ka don jingya day bat ka Finance Committee ha kani ka school ba nalor ka taru
or a bill and that will be put up in the assembly. So the first was the repeal of the Rajat Lal University Act 2011. Second was the amendment of Meghalaya Goods and Service Tax 2017. These are amendments that are mandated in terms of the GST Council, the decisions that have been taken by GST Council. Bill for the Meghalaya Medical Council Amendment Bill 2023. This again was an ordinance, if you recall, and those have been made, and the ordinance was passed a few weeks back, and that now again is being regularized.
UMLA berim ubadeiru unong yalam berim jong kaseng BJP uba Himalaya muktan changplyang ulalet benes no bat kaseng National People's Party ha kasngi balang ka khatlai terik unai lor ha ka jingyalang ka blalong ka office terekam jong kaseng NPP hala chumia ha kani kanong ba uba shangplyang ula ye no kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party ha ka tayo bla deb da ka ba ai daw baki don ki jinge pher jingmut bat bom don ka jinge trelang ha pedeng unong yalam jong kaseng uba Ernest Mauri bat ki khot jong kaseng uba shangplyang ubla job ya ka election jong usnem 8000 khat pra na kaseng Congress ula kin tiap no sha kaseng Trinamool Congress ha ringkat bat khat arngut ki wei pat ki MLA jong kaseng Congress ha usnem 8000 arpuwe House nem 8000 arpuar haswaban long election ha kani kejela ula let banis no bat kaseng BJP bat ula sha rem no ha ke election jong usnem 8000 arpulai
one of the only political parties that speaks on the issues of the Northeast and the people of the Northeast.
Menteri rangba kejela konrad sangma ulaong balajan kumba 1 million unit ke boarding electric lapen mi ha kani kejela da ka ba benrap ru baki wei pat ki slam pen mi boarding ki trikam ulaong ba na ka daw jong ka jinge pen bet ban yak liang boarding ka jela ka hapan siu kala r million unit na ka 1 million shiki company pen mi boarding shu ru ulaong ba ka sorkar kala pen kalano ya kani bat kala yesno ktiru bat ka NTPC na ka benta ka ru company boarding ka babiang ha ka ba ula benrap ru ba ka jing yak liang boarding kan sakut no ha ka laipo trek unai lor
the power suppliers or power generation companies. So what happens is that now we have changed that model. Now that's why we have tied up with NTPC. The agreement with NTPC and MOU is actually now to arrange this power swapping or power management. That will end on 30th of September.
Ka kenhon menteri jong kani gajalla ha kasngi baar Kala minjur bantau no ya katanat engineering hapo katanat rekam ki pulit but ya ka State Water Informatics Center ya ka bala penyas no bat katanat water resources. Menteri Rangbak Kejelau Konrad K. Sangmau laong baka State Water Informatics Center kan salong kum kasnat rekam ka ban salom thop ya ki jingtip ki baper ha ka be day bat ki ki wa haboro shisnem linter.
Going to tell us that every year we are seeing a dip in, say, the water supply or the catchment areas in, say, for the Shillong water supply scheme. It is this center that is going to collect the data every year using satellites, using human manpower at the grassroots level, using different technologies, drones to then survey and keep this data. So this is an information database of analyzing, recording the water movement in the state.
Menteri Rangbak Kejelau Meghalaya Konrad K. Sangma hagasngi baar ulaong. Badon tang kawai kajing kabay day ba ka National Education Policy hajar arpo bat kata kaday kumno ban pintre kameka. Haba ay jing krench kila patay kubor onda laway kajing lang kakinhon menteri usang maulaong. Balajan baro ki college jong kaniga jela kila kubor ba ka NEP kalong kababha na kabenta ka jela bat na kabenta ki samla puli. Da kababenrap ba kalong kalinti kabaday banjam syakmat. Da kapapensay ka nongrim jong Vice Chancellor ka school ba nehu ulaong bakamla ban long satya ban kenran din biang halor kanib karay da kababenrap bakari pero kaway kalajam syakmat kabay day bat kani bat kumta ka jela Meghalaya ru ka don kamban le lang kumjo.
State and good for the students, and it is the right way to move forward. The challenge is in actually implementing it immediately. There is nobody who's against the NEP. Majority of the teachers and the students and the principals are all for the NEP to be implemented. Issue only is in the different requirements to implement it and the process of implementing, which is very, very technically complicated and financially complicated, and hence how will they do it immediately?
Kibor penyat ke distrik Ribhoi bat kipulit jong kaniga distrik hakasngi palay kila khangno ya ka wei ka khardop krong khajana balabo da ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hakasurok ba National Highway 6 ha dihar. Laban pentip ru hangni bakani ka khardop krong khajana kalalum khajana naki kaliket mar ki bayak ling ba kani ka surok ba. Dangshen kinongnya bat kitrai jong ki kaliket mar kila penpau ya ka jing sngo kho nyok mensim bat ka jing sngo kya jing mut shibun halor ka jing bun belai jong ki khardop krong khajna hasilinter jong ka surok ba hapo upu dusam ka jela Meghalaya bat kila let ru ban ujor persha shaki bor bedekmi hapo ka KHDC. Menteri Rangbak Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma minta kesngi ulah yeshim benta ha kesngi khang perdai ka jing rakhe dap shispa snem jong school Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School kabala ne shisnem linter ka ringkat jong ka jing don lang menteri katanat puli puthi urakam Sangma. Haba ai jing kran ha kani kesngi menteri Rangbak Kejelau ha ka por bola ai khublai kerpang ka school ha ka be dei bat uni umau mer jong ka ulaong baka day ka jing yo i jngai jong ki brio ke blaseng ya ka bat ka day ru ka rai kut bat ka jing trish tom jong ki nong hikai ki bla let no bat ki bedang sa bat kum jo ru jong ki dokot jong ka managing committee ka bla wan ra nam ra burom ya ka ni ka school kamashwa menteri Rangbak ula ai nam ai burom ru ya ki khna puli jong ka ni ka school ki bla wan shakmat do ha ki jing puli ki jong ki ha ka be day be ki examine embos bat ula pelat pat baru ka kot sa akan mau jong ka ni ka school bat kum jo ru ya ka kot bala penmi do president jong ka managing committee jong ka ni ka school.
Any kind of doubt in my mind that education is the most important sector and department for the state government in order for us to be able to achieve the kind of goals and the visions that we have set for our state.
Mendapat ngin pe kejung nong jaman kasim neng hasilong kejung shit kalong 8.0 degree Celsius ba kejung kret kalong 0.0 degree Celsius kejung ngam kau hau kalong 0.0 na kashis pa min step 0.0 na kashis pa jan met kala bendon kejung hap slap ba malu malah ki babon ki jakka Shoban poi sebukut jang tuk kubor jing meta ka jan met ini pet biang sesi ni kimat bekongsan. Minjur ka kenhun menteri ya bon teli ki jing ai jing mut kintup ru ya ki jing kelaya ka an GST 8,000 khatnyo minjur bantaw ka tanat engineering ha ka shlem trekam ki pulit. Let yusno MLA berem uba Himalaya Shangplyang Shaka Seng NPP Hanomba Shalong. Khang kerdap no ki bor pinyat ke distrik Riboy bat ki pulit ya ka kerdop krong khajna jong ka KHADC ha dihar. Bat kut no ka jing rakhe dap shis pa snam jong ka school Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School ka ba shis nam linter. Ti perlok da ki tu ki kubor la poi so kut jong tup kubor jing meta ka jan mien hadu mi de sham yang bat phila shai ka singi kublai phi baro.
Invest in the share